Hi everyone, today we're doing Module 3, Whole Number Addition and Subtraction, Lesson 12. Turn to page 47 so you can follow along and take notes. So subtracting 3-digit numbers with zeros. So this is where it starts to get a little trickier in subtraction. But let's do a few warm-up ones. So 481 minus 168. Well, there's more on the floor down there, so we got to take from here, make the 8 into a 7. We borrowed one of the 10s, add the 10 here. 11 minus 8 now is 3. 7 minus 6 is 1. 4 minus 1 is 3. So here they put it into a place value chart. So 604 minus 225. We got hundreds, tens, and ones. So here we have 4 minus 5, which we cannot do, but we have nothing to borrow from because the 10 is a 0. So we have to first go over here, borrow from this, make it a 5. And then we'll add the 10 on here, 1 here, because we're borrowing 10 tens. But we have to borrow from there and make it a 9 because we need it for here. So we actually have to make this 14. So we borrowed twice before we could change the ones place. 4 minus 5 is 9. 9 minus 2 is 7. 5 minus 2 is 3. So it gets a little tricky because we got to borrow even though there wasn't anything there. So we can see how they did that here in each of the steps. So I kind of went fast from A to B to C. So they borrowed from here, made the 0 into a 10, but we had to make the 10 into a 9 before you could cross off this 1 over here. Same down here with 107 minus 79. We can't do 7 minus 9, so we borrow from here and make that but that's a 10, but we have to borrow from there first, make that a 0, make the 10 into a 9. And then you can see over here, when you do that, then you have something to borrow from to make it 17. So 17 minus 9 is 8. 9 minus 7 is 2, so our answer is 28. Okay, so this says the model shows how to find the difference of 203 and 134. So here's 203, no tens, and then 134, so 134. Well, what did they do here? So they took already, you can see right here, they took a 10 or 100 and made it into 10 tens. All right, because see how with 203, there are no tens. So they took it, made it into 10 tens. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, so there's still 203, but now it's just 100s flattened, 10 tens, and 3 ones. And then what they did is they made one of those 10s into 10 ones. Okay, so now we have 100, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 tens because we borrowed one of those 10s and made it into ones, and then we have 10, 11, 12, 13 ones. But this is the same thing as 203. But now when you have it like this, you can take away 134 because you can take away 100, you can take away 30 from here, so 3, so you'd have 6 left, and then you can take away 4 from there, which was 9, so then the final answer would be 69. All right, so if we look here, we're going to try these. So we have 405 minus 137. Well, we can't do 5 minus 7, so we have to borrow from here. But before that, we have to borrow from this to make it a 3. Okay, because if we borrow from there, then we can make that a 10. But now we have to borrow from the 10 and make it a 9 so that we can make this a 15. 15 minus 7 is 8. 9 minus 3 is 6. 3 minus 1 is 2. So sometimes we have to borrow twice before we can do the final answer. So here we have 902 minus 406. So again, we can't do this yet. we're going to borrow from here, but we'll make that 10. But in order to make that a 10, we got to first borrow from here and make that a 8. Now that's a 10. Now we can borrow from here, make that a 9, and make this a 12. 12 minus 6 is 6. 9 minus 0 is 9. 8 minus 4 is 4. All right, last example, 303 minus 46. So again, we can't do 3 minus 6, so we're going to have to borrow from there. But before that, we got to make this a 2 to make this a 10. Now we can borrow from there, make that a 9, make this a 13. 13 minus 6 is 7. 9 minus 4 is 5. 2 minus nothing is 2. All right, so let's talk it through again. Subtracting 3-digit numbers with zeros. Using symbols here, remember they lined it up. So instead of writing it like this, rewrite it like this, 606 minus 128. Write the problem vertically, line up the digits with the same place value. Then regroup 110 into 10 ones if needed. If there are no 10s to regroup, then regroup 100 into 10 tens. Then regroup 110 into 10 ones, and then subtract the digits in the ones column. So this one, we had to go over because there's a 0 in the middle. So then you had to go to the hundreds, make that a 5 to make it a 10. Then you can borrow, make it a 9 to make this a 16. Okay, then you do the ones column. Then subtract the digits in the tens. 9 minus 2 is 7. And then you subtract the digits in the hundreds column. 5 minus 1 is 4. So 606 minus 128 is equal to 478. All right. So now on your own, you're going to complete page 49. Remember to click on the link so that you can use the Base 10 website. That can help you quite a bit if you need it. Okay, so use that website and then ask for help if you need it. Good luck.